In July of 2025, a telescope in Chile spotted something strange, a tiny light moving against the stars. Within days, it was confirmed that this wasn't just any discovery, it was something worth studying. It's now known as 3I Atlas, and this is only the third confirmed interstellar object we've ever seen. So how was this interstellar visitor discovered? It all started on July 1st, 2025. The ATLAS survey, short for Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, was scanning the skies from its southern station in Chile. It's designed to catch fast-moving objects that might hit Earth. But what it caught was moving too fast and coming from too far to fully make out yet. After just a few nights of tracking, astronomers realized that it wasn't orbiting the sun. It was on a hyperbolic trajectory. This means it came from beyond our solar system, and once it passes by, it's never coming back. It was quickly named 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever discovered after Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. But unlike those two, Atlas raised eyebrows for reasons no one expected. 3I Atlas entered our solar system from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation, near the center of the Milky Way, an unusual trajectory for interstellar visitors. Most predicted interstellar objects would come from the opposite direction, due to our sun's movement through space. It's also moving faster than we usually see. It's zipping through the solar system at over 130,000 miles per hour. That's more than twice as fast as most comets. At first glance, 3I Atlas looks like a normal comet, surrounded by a glowing coma of gas and dust, trailing a faint tail. But the coma on Atlas was unusually bright, so bright some thought the nucleus might be huge, maybe several kilometers wide. Later measurements suggest it's smaller, likely under 1 kilometer, but super active. And then came the chemical analysis, and things got weird. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers peered into the composition of Atlas's coma, and what they found was surprising. Its coma was dominated by carbon dioxide, with far less water than expected. Most comets in our solar system have way more water than CO2. But this one has 8 times more CO2 than water vapor, one of the highest ratios ever seen in a comet. That suggests it formed in a completely different kind of planetary system, maybe near a CO2 ice line instead of a water one. It also showed traces of carbon monoxide, sulfur compounds, and ice grains, exotic chemistry that's rare around here. So here's what makes 3I Atlas so interesting. It's an interstellar object with a southern trajectory, a hyperactive coma, and unordinary chemistry. And unlike Borisov, which was another interstellar object spotted, Atlas seems to be more reflective, more volatile, and more unpredictable. Even far from the sun, while past Mars, it was shedding material like crazy. One analysis found it was losing over 40 kilograms of water per second, meaning the surface must be unusually exposed or porous. That's not normal behavior for icy bodies that far out. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Could it be alien created? Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb thinks yes. The same guy who speculated about Oumuamua being alien tech has raised some eyebrows again. He pointed out unusual features in Atlas's coma structure, suggesting that some material appears to glow ahead of the comet, not behind it like ordinary comets. This is very odd. He even proposed that 3I Atlas could be shedding autonomous probes, like alien breadcrumbs. Sounds crazy, maybe. But let's not forget, Oumuamua had no tail and changed speed mid-flight. This at least has a tail, but that forward glow is still unexplained. Atlas will make its closest approach to the Sun in late October 2025, just inside the orbit of Mars, and after that, it'll swing past, and by early 2026, it'll be gone forever. Observatories all over the world, and even spacecraft like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, are being considered to study it up close. For now, telescopes like Hubble, JWST, and the Very Large Telescope are watching its every move, hoping this icy wanderer reveals just a little more before it slips back into the void. So what do you think? Is 3I Atlas just a strange comet from another star system? Or is it something more, maybe even a message in a bottle drifting between worlds? Either way, it's a reminder that we're unlikely to be alone in this galaxy, and definitely not in space. If you learned anything, consider liking and subscribing. and comment below what you think 3i Atlas could be.